Hello everyone, welcome back to online class of moral science. So our today's explanation is on chapter 10 and the name of the chapter is Be the Person of Good Character. So character, the word character when used is generally attributed to an individual only. Okay, however it is also applicable to a group or even in nation, but everyone likes to be with the people who have a good character. Yes, um, it is said that if wealth is lost, nothing is lost, and if health is lost, something is lost. Yes, so if character is lost, everything is lost. And the old saying is quite relevant today as it was in olden days. It seems that with the changing values of life, it is money and gold, not character, which values with the people now. But the reality is that the shine of money and riches remains for some time only, and what is everlasting is only the good in men, or we can say good character in men. So greatness does not lie in how much wealth you possess, but what type of character you display is your dealing with others. So like every one likes to be with the people who have good character, and the character of a person always determines all aspects of a person. Okay, so it's uh, the word character is generally used to indicate good character only, and all of us possess character either good or bad, as there are several hues and shades of character ranging from the good to the extreme bad, but we everyone possesses to live with the good character. So the qualities like morality and discipline or honesty, integrity, or we can say willpower, courage, uh, chastity and loyalty, sacrifice and self-respect, then uh, kindness, truthfulness, all go a long way in building up a noble character. And the practice of morality is must for developing a good character. Okay, because if it teaches a person to distinguish right from wrong. So another important virtue is discipline. Like discipline plays really an important role in building up a good character. A person of high morality always practice truth and justice. So such qualities develop self-respect and strong willpower. So these qualities contribute to the development of good character. And the character building is a continuous process. Okay, so it is not possible to build a character of a person in a single day, but it should be built step by step, adding one virtue to another. And in order to have a good character, we need to avoid all sorts of bad habits, and we can't travel on two boats at a time. Okay, we certainly need to live with a good character. And a person strong character is always a fearless. He or she is honest and speaks the truth. He doesn't need the help of or he doesn't need to hide anything from others. He is an like open book, everybody or anybody can read it. He is loved and respected by all, and he has a moral courage to face all difficulties. And beside health and wealth, we need character, which is the most important in the success of life. And if you have no character, you can never be happy and successful. And if you are dishonest and nobody trusts you, what is the use of your gold? Goodwill can be stolen, but nobody can rob you of goodwill. And money comes and goes, but your character stays with you forever. So no thief can walk away with your character. And another method of building up character is to know uh, about the bad character, so as to avoid your bad deeds. If you avoid bad behavior, it is considered as a stepping stone towards building a good character. And character should not be misunderstood as reputations. You get a good reputation if your character is good. And character is like a powerful weapon which provides strength and courage to the one who wields it. And if character is lost, then the personality of an individual is ruined forever. So the character of a person is a vast treasure. We should guard it by being virtuous all the time. And it is more precious than wealth and health, as there is chance of recovering both them if lost. And whereas character once lost is lost forever. It can never be recovered. So we need to guard it with maximum care, and so be a person of a good character, so that everyone would be proud of you. And when this good character is not formed in a week or a month, it should be created little by little, day by day. So this proper reacted and patience effort is needed to develop a good character. So this is all about chapter 10, be a person of good character. So students, always try to be a person with a good character, good behavior, and live with honesty. Thank you.